In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gantt charts and project timelines in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and create a blank worksheet. A Gantt chart is a simple but powerful way to visualize a project schedule. It helps you see each task, when it starts, how long it lasts, and how the full project flows across a timeline. This makes it much easier to track progress and communicate deadlines clearly. Next, enter your project data into the sheet. For this example, use a task column, a start date column, and a duration in days column. You can enter sample tasks like planning, design, development, testing, and launch, along with their corresponding start dates and durations. Keeping your data organized in columns is important because Excel will use that structure to build the chart correctly. If you want, you can also calculate end dates. This step is optional, but it can be useful if you want to see exactly when each task finishes. In cell D2, enter the formula equals B2 plus C2 minus 1. Then copy that formula down for the rest of your tasks. This works by taking the start date and adding the task duration while subtracting 1 day, so the start date itself is included in the total length. Once your data is ready, select the task, start date, and duration columns. Then go to the Insert tab, choose Bar Chart, and select Stacked Bar. Excel will generate a stacked bar chart based on your data. At first, it may not look like a Gantt chart yet, but that's completely normal. Now format the chart so it displays properly. Click on the Start Date series in the chart, then right-click and choose Format Data Series. Set the fill to No Fill. This hides the start date bars, which are only being used to position each task correctly on the timeline. After that, only the duration bars remain visible, and the chart starts to take on the familiar Gantt chart appearance. Next, reverse the task order. Right-click the task names on the vertical axis, choose Format Axis, and check Categories in reverse order. This places the first task at the top, which usually makes the timeline much easier to read. Then format the date axis. Right-click the horizontal axis and select Format Axis. Set the minimum date to your project start date and adjust the major units depending on the scale you want to show, such as days, weeks, or months. This helps the timeline match the pace and length of your project. At this point, the chart will display each task as a horizontal bar spanning its duration, creating a clear and useful Gantt chart in Excel.